How to deploy a proxy server squid on Linux Red Hat-like system with Ansible? I'm going to show you a live demo with some simple Ansible code. I'm Luca Burton and welcome to today's episode of Ansible Pilot. Today we are talking about how to deploy a proxy server squid on Red Hat-like Linux system. The full process requires 4 steps that we could automate with different Ansible modules. Firstly, you need to install the squid package and dependency using the ansible.builtin.yum Ansible module. Secondly, you need to create a custom configuration under etc with Ansible built-in template Ansible module. Thirdly, you need to start the squid service and enable on boot and all the dependent using the ansible.builtin.service Ansible module. And fourthly, you need to open the relevant firewall service-related ports using the ansible.posix.firewalld Ansible module. The best way is always to show you a live demo session, so let's join me this session about how to deploy a proxy server squid on Red Hat-like Linux system with Ansible playbook. Let's have fun! Welcome to my editor. I will show you one playbook about how to deploy squid on Red Hat-like system. First of all, let's begin our YAML document with 3- and then our play with a name. Setup proxy looks good, and I'm going to target host all of my inventory, and I need a root privilege, so let me set become true. 2 variables, the first is squid_port. Let's keep the default 3128, but you can customize as you wish. And local net, this is the local networking that is allowed to connect to squid. So this is the standard one. And then let's begin with fun. So our 4 tasks. The first is to install squid. So task squid installed, that I'm using ansible.builtin.yum. The name of the package is squid and the state is latest because we wanted the latest version of squid installed. Once the package is installed, we need to take care of the configuration. So let me set it up this with Ansible with a task name squid configuration. I'm going to use ansible.builtin.template module, and I'm going to apply the source template src. Yes, here we go. I'm storing under templates directory and squid.conf.j2 because it's a Jinja2 template, under the destination /etc squid/squid.conf. So this will completely override the distribution default configuration file. After this, we are ready to start the service. Squid service enabled, and I'm going to use ansible.builtin.service. Dear systemd, the name of the service is squid, and we would like to enable, which means starting on boot, and the state need to be started. Last step is to finally open the firewall related port. So open firewall, here we go. we need ansible.posix.firewalld, and with some parameter. The first is the port number. So let me specify the value of my variable squid underscore port. Here we go. And /TCP, because we need only TCP traffic on this side. The state will be enabled, which means the rule is enabled. I want to apply immediately, so right now, and permanent true, which means survive on boot. As you can see, I'm able to set it up one completely fresh machine with Squid on the latest available version, apply the configuration template that I already prepared on my machine, also take care of the service startup and open the firewall. What about the configuration template? Here we go. This is a pretty standard and very smooth configuration. I didn't create anything strange except to customize the squid underscore port and HTTP underscore port and the value of local net. So this is very easy to customize on your needs. You just need to change on the playbook side these two values, and this is very simple. You can add a lot of more things, but I really like this simplicity just to set it up one simple proxy machine. And now we are ready to jump on the terminal and see if everything works. Welcome to my terminal. First of all, let me connect to my proxy machine and show you that is a freshly new installed, and Ansible will take care of all the necessary steps. So SSH DevOps at proxy-example.com. Let me switch to root and cut etc OS release. This is Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.5. Let me verify that the package squid is not present in the system with DNF list installed squid. There is another process using DNF at the moment, probably, and no matching packages to list. Some of you guys probably use rpm-qa and grep for squid. No result either. And another verification is to cat /etc squid.conf configuration. No file present on the machine. And what else? Oh, it looked like a very fresh machine, as I said. So we have nothing more that we can do here. Let me disconnect, and on the Ansible controller I can use curl to try to use the proxy to verify that no process is available. So curl-o to save locally the page, -L for the location. I'm using ansiblepilot.com index HTML, and let me specify on -x the proxy example.com 3128. And connection refused, which means that the service is not available, but this will change completely after we run our Ansible playbook with ansible-playbook command. Let me specify the inventory, so basically it's only my proxy machine in this file. And what else? On the services I'm using proxy_redact Ansible playbook. The execution is going to take a while. It depends by the resources on your machine, and of course your connection speed is taking care of downloading all the necessary packages and dependency. After this there is the configuration of the DNF, the usual installation of library on the system and configuring of the packages. So the playbook is going to perform automatically the 4th step. Here we go, setting up the configuration, enabling the service and open the firewall port. Everything went smooth and 4 changes as expected were performed on the machine. Let me run again the same playbook to show you one interesting thing, that Ansible this time is only to verify that everything is consistent on the system and return OK status of all of these tasks. This is very useful to verify the configuration of a machine that didn't change, and of course this property is called hidden potency of Ansible module. Now you probably are curious if everything is really in order, so let me connect via SSH. DevOps is my username and proxy example.com is always my target machine. Let me switch to root. Again is OS release, but it's the same machine, so I'm not faking. And DNF installed squid. Oh, he returned an error. What I did wrong? Oh, it's not DNF installed, it's DNF list installed. So let me type again the last command and add the list command. My bad, it happened. This time I'm expecting one result of the installed package. Here we go. Squid is installed from upstream service repository. Again, let me check it out. RPM QA give me the same exact result. So, apparently, Squid is installed. Let me double check also other things. For example, the configuration file. So let me less etc squid.conf. As you can see, the local net was customized, as well also HTTP port. So all the parameters look like in order and everything seems ready to have fun. So let me disconnect and verify that everything is really in order, because I don't trust. Carl -o-l, let me specify the URL that I would like to connect, www.ansiblepilot.com/index.html, and let me use the proxy server under proxy.example.com and with port 3128. This time I'm expecting, is a different result. Did you see? There was a progress bar, and if everything went smooth, I have index.html on my current directory, and I have, yeah, wonderful. So good job, Ansible. Let me delete this file. Yes, here we go. The completion sometime is, and verify one other things. Let me connect again on the proxy machine. Again, let me switch to root, because I really would like to see the content of var log squid access.log. And here we go. We have the connection that we just did with curl via the console to my target website recorded on the log of squid. Yeah, it seems a great success. Good job, Ansible. You saved me some time. Now you know how to deploy a Squid proxy server on RedHat-like Linux system with Ansible. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, write me a comment, and in general, keep in contact with me for the next adventure of Ansible Pilot, and have a fantastic day! This video is part of our Ansible automation program. Sign up today on www.ansiblepilot.com for uninterrupted exclusive video and so much fun.